Deputy President Paul Mashatile, just a few minutes ago, had finished his address at the official Human Rights Day event down in the Eastern Cape. He said South Africans have to work together and promote human rights for all. In fact, Mashatile singling out whistleblowers and the SANDF soldiers in the DRC, 14 of them in the most recent incident having given their lives for human rights protection, that the country should use that as an example and follow on in standing up for what is right. He was delivering that address down in Kariega in the Eastern Cape.
It is important for us to actively confront the systemic inequalities that perpetuate injustice. The fight for rights and freedom transcends national boundaries. It is a global imperative. Our commitment to this cause is reflected in the efforts of countless individuals fighting for justice around the world and in the sacrifices made by many on different fronts, including the brave South African Defence Force troops deployed to the Democratic Republic of the Congo, as well as closer home here in the Eastern Cape, the highest price paid by a human rights activist and whistleblower, Ms. Pamela Mabini, who was gunned down at her home in Gqeberha a week ago.